Hello friends, welcome to C Intermediate to Advanced tutorial. Now you are watching final part of the C RichTextBox Control subseries. In this video, we will perform a clipboard operation and we will do the change history related operation undo and redo. So these are all the slide decks from previous 6 parts. So first we implemented the save part. After implementing the save portion, we gone to the load portion of the implementation. Then we applied the font styles. Now we will learn about the clipboard history. So here RichTextBox provides separate methods for all these operation, and if you see, when we click the copy option, we are making call to rt.copy. Similarly, when you click on paste here, the content in the rich text box will get copied to the clipboard. When you click paste, the content in the clipboard copied to the rich text box. So let's say this is the clipboard. The copy operation will move the content to clipboard, and paste will retrieve the content from clipboard. We know that clipboard is common for all the application. Let's say this is our WordPad application. So you can perform same operation from WordPad also. So for example, if you perform copy from WordPad, the content will get moved from WordPad to clipboard. Similarly, if you perform paste from a WordPad context, the content from clipboard will get copied, or we can say get pasted to the WordPad. Similarly, if you want to copy some content from WordPad to our RichTextBox sample, you will perform copy here, then you will click paste here. So the content will get copied from clipboard to our RichTextBox. Similarly, you can perform copy here using this option, then you can perform paste on the WordPad. So the content will get copied to clipboard. From clipboard, it will then copy it to the WordPad. Then to perform undo and redo action, we simply make call to undo RichTextBox.undo, then RichTextBox.redo. So we talked about the history, right? Let's say this is the change history. A specific portion of text is applied to bold. Then let's say the specific portion of text is applied to underline. Here a new font is applied. Then here font size is applied. So this is the change history. And if you perform the undo operation, the undo will be performed in the reverse order. So first font size will be removed, then the change is a font, right? Applying font to specific font, specific text, that will get removed. Then the change underline will get removed, then bold will get removed. So it will go in the reverse order. So redo will cancel the last undo operation. Let's state we performed two undo operation. That means font size is removed, then applying the font is removed. Two action is undone, and if you perform a redo now, the last undo is cancelled. So this is what called a redo. So when we go to application, you will understand this even more better. And if you see, undo will be performed in the reverse order of change history, and the redo will perform or cancels the last undo action. Alright, now we will implement this. So there's a clear content also we implemented. We simply making call to rt.clear. Now it's demo time. We will go back to our RichTextBox application, sample application, and we will complete our coding. So we will go to form design and we will implement a click event for all these buttons. Copy. So I'm just double clicking it. Paste. Undo and redo. Also, we want to handle this clear content. It should have been done in the very first part itself, but forgot to implement that. So our rich text box name is RT, right? So these are all simply a function call. So all are simple function calls. Now we will test this. Before that, we will open Wattpad. So first we will applying bold for 2, and here actions I am applying underline, and let me change the color also, then apply bold as well. So first what I'm doing, I'm selecting this text, then choosing the clipboard operation. By right clicking it, I'm choosing copy. Now the content is moved to clipboard. Now let us run our sample application. If you see, the content is in clipboard. Now if I click paste, the content will get copied here. So I removed bold from these two. Our sample doesn't support color, so we will leave it as it is. Now I am copying this content using the clipboard operation copy, clearing the content here. Now here I am choosing the paste action, and if you see, the line formatting is removed and format for check is removed. So this demos the clipboard action. Now we will perform the undo and redo actions. So here, if you see, I am applying bold for a different part of text. Then I'm applying underline. Then here I am changing the font size. Now if I perform undo, the action will be removed in the reverse order. And if you see here, I applied the font size 2 or 3 times. So now I am doing the undo, undo again, undo. So the copy paste is undone. So I keep on clicking the undo, and you can see the attribute is removed here, underline. Now check attribute will be removed. So based on the history, it is removing this. Now if I do redo, the last undo action will get cancelled. That means it will redo all this stuff now. You see? So undo and redo works based on the history, and undo will perform the or revokes the formatting operation in reverse order, and redo will cancel the last undo actions. So undo is in reverse, redo is in the forward, or it will cancel the last undone actions. So this completes our demo. That's all here in this video, and we completed our rich text box sample. You can check for the code snippets in the video description. Thank you for watching. Bye.